Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have to join the relationships. We are not to break up the relationship. So, in the Islamic education, Islamic Sharia, we have enforced advice from Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to make the relationship within the family or family relatives too much strong. So we should not break up the relationship. We must continue to keep it. Even if someone is trying to break it, we must try to rejoin it. So, as much as we can, that will be more and more rewardable. So, we should not break up the relationship. This is very important because this relationship at the day of judgment, before Allah will say to Allah that this person joins me, you can join him. Joining him mean like you can enter this person into the paradise. And if the person who was breaking the relationship, this relationship will say to Allah that this person, he has broke me up, so you have to break up relationship with this one now. So it means that you should send this person to the hellfire. So keep in mind, this is hadith very important to make our mind that we should try our best as much as we can in order to keep up relationship even if someone is trying to break it up. Surah Muhammad ayat number 22 and 23, Allah said in this, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَتُقَتِّئُوا أَرْحَامَكُمْ, and the people who are breaking up the relationship, who break down it, أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ, these are the people, لَعَنَهُمُ اللَّهُ, on these people there is curse of Allah. So these people who are breaking the relationship, they are under curse of Allah. Even for asammahum wa ama absarahum. So Allah even take the guidance from them because their ears, they listen the right thing but they do the wrong thing. Wa ama absarahum, it means they see the good things but they do the wrong thing. So this way they in this world they will get the punishment also that they are to leave the real guidance which will lead the person to Sirat-e Mustaqim. And at the day of judgment, they will have to face the consequences of it in the form of punishment. So this way, the best thing for us is this one, that we have to keep up our relationships. Even if someone is trying to break up, we try to rejoin and reconcile, so to make the relationship more strong as much as we can, so that we should get the good face before Allah at the day of judgment. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.